Installing your beautiful new wood or faux wood Venetian blind couldn't be simpler. First, decide where you'll be installing the brackets. The brackets offer 3 methods of fixing. You can top fix the brackets to the top of the recess, face fix them onto a wall or window frame, or side fix them onto the sides of the recess. Side fixing is the most common method when fitting the blind inside a recess, and usually the easiest. But top fixing can work great too, especially if the side walls of the recess are at an angle. Face fixing is usually used when fitting the blind outside the recess, as the brackets must be attached to the wall or to a wooden batten or architrave. It can also prove the quickest method of installing if you have a wooden window frame, though in this case, don't forget to check that the blind will clear any handles protruding from the window. Once you've decided where you'll fit your brackets, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a rawl plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly into place. Wider blinds are supplied with additional brackets to support the centre of the blind. These support brackets can be either top fixed or face fixed. One support bracket should be fitted close to the centre of the blind, ensuring that it's not in line with any of the components inside the blind's headrail. Any additional supports can then be evenly distributed across the width, again ensuring that they're clear of any of the blind's components. Before slotting the blind into the brackets, attach the clear plastic pelmet clips from your fittings kit. Now open the box brackets by pulling the front section out from beneath. Slot the blind's headrail into the open brackets, then push them firmly closed until they click. To attach the pelmet, start by taking the smaller plastic pieces from your fittings kit and attaching them to the back of the pelmet. Slot them on their side into the channel at the back of the pelmet, then twist them to vertical to secure them in place. Now, line up the clips you hooked onto the blind's headrail with the clips you inserted into the back of the pelmet and press the pelmet firmly against the blind's headrail to secure the 2 parts of the clips together. Pull the lift cord on the right side of the blind towards the centre of the window to unlock the blind and allow it to lower. Use the cords on the left side of the blind to tilt the slats open and closed. If you've ordered a blind as exact fitting, the pelmet will be wider and returns will be included to cover the ends of the blind. Attach these returns to the pelmet using the plastic L brackets provided with your fittings. Finally, a cord cleat is provided to secure excess cord out of reach of children when the cord is not in use. It's a legal requirement that this cleat be installed. Mark the positions of the screw holes with a pencil. The cleat should be installed beside the blind at a height of at least 1500 mm from the floor. Secure the cleat using the screws provided. When the blind is raised and the lift cord extended, wrap the lift cord in a figure of 8 around the cleat so that it's taut and secure. And that's it! Your new blind is installed and ready to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.